Good morning. It's Tuesday. What's the date today? Let me check. It's the 3rd of November, so I am moving into my new house. We were just hosting Diamond Platinums at the newly launched complex, club, restaurant, everything at Mango. So I've been busy all weekend, but I just got a new apartment, so I am moving this whole week, and I'll be moving stuff around. Like, I don't know where I keep my eyes, here or here, to check if the filming is right. Anyway, my house has been a mess for almost a month. Yeah, I'm just showing you everything. My acne is doing better. I think the camera is exaggerating. I'm doing better, but I've been so stressed. So this is the morning and I have to get back to work because I wasn't at work yesterday because I was hella exhausted. So I'm going back to work today. We're going to talk about that later. But right now, my house has been a mess for a minute. Let me just show you. Oh God, it's so messy. Let's see if I can zoom out. Okay, it's so messy. And I was just like, I don't want to clean this up. I need a new place. So yeah, it's just a mess everywhere. And the movers are coming at, I think we're starting at midday. So we're just going to go ahead and do what we can. Yeah, you guys have seen this, what this space looks like. Let me just get back to you. You guys have seen what my house looks like when it's clean, when it's perfect and everything. I think I did the whole home tour. I loved this home, but I think it's time for a change and it's time for growth for myself, for my business and everything else that I do. So I have to rush and get to work because I'm already late right now. But I'll be in touch with you at lunch. Hi! I feel like that other camera exaggerates my acne marks. I'm vlogging. Say hi.
Hello.
The sun is so much, my God.
Happy little birthday. Thank you.
She's like finally legal and stuff. She can finally do what she's been doing legally.
MalawiMusic.com. Nyimbo za
I'm
Malawi.
not ashamed to tell you ndiwongongola makalidwe bambana usangalatsa iwe kuwala
So it's a few days later and I think I finally, my God, like my skin looks so, is it that oily? Maybe it is. I keep getting concerned about my skin. Anyway, it's day 5 in this house. Well, the water got connected yesterday, so officially I've been sleeping here for like, well, last night was my first night here. So I slept here last night. I slept with the window open. So let me show you the view. This is still a bit open and I was gonna let mosquitoes in. So this is kind of the view to the outside of my house, and if you go all the way it takes you up down to the road. So I slept with this window open, and what happened now, let me try to put this down. What happened was, it's the main road, right, going out of town. So from like 4 a.m. there was cars going up and down. I almost regretted moving here, but I realized that the sound was so bad because that was open. So that's great. And I struggled with the mosquitoes as well. Let me try to control the lighting. Hopefully that will be better. This won't be too dark. Yeah, that is way better. Anyway, so still moving. I've just finished arranging my bathroom and I got a new helper, so she's been arranging my stuff. So here is my bathroom, just a quick run through. I like the bathroom a lot, and it's the first time I think having a master and suite in my house, so I'm actually very excited about it. My bedroom looks way prettier when I like arrange the stuff. I think I just put out like some towels on my bed, but it's actually very cute. I really like it. Oh, there's like stuff here. So I finished doing the guest room. Oh my gosh, it was like so much neater just a few hours ago, and it was so pretty. But seeing as I'm still arranging, so I was looking for my camera and I just found it. My cameras were in that box down there, which was just stuffed in there. So I'm grateful I found that. And so this is the guest room, and then we have the guest bathroom. Sadly, the light is not working in here. And then there is, yeah, I have no idea what the hell is going on in there. I'm gonna take my time unpacking. Obviously nobody is rushing me anyway. I just hope it doesn't take me like 600 months. So let me just take it downstairs. Oh, for the past few years, this painting has been like over my couch right there for the longest time, but I'm kind of separating them, so I'm very anxious about that. But I think it's also very simplistic and all. Oh, and I spent yesterday doing nail work because I wanted my friend to come over to do it, but I realized I'm an independent woman, so why the hell not do it? So I put up the, where is the shelves? Oh yeah, there they are. I put up the shelves. My skin is so oily. And then I just finished fixing my couch. My new helper actually asked me today how to do my cushions, and nobody's ever really asked me that, so usually I just let them do whatever they can and I fix it later. So I was actually really grateful to have her ask me that. I'm moving away this flower vase so you can get to appreciate the dining area. I love it. It's just really simple, and the dining space is really cute, is huge. So I was like, should I really center the dining set, or could I put it to the side and then do my office downstairs as opposed to upstairs? So when I go upstairs, it's kind of going to be me living, and then when I come down here, it's kind of me working. Anyway, quickly run through into the kitchen. We've been also cleaning this space up. So this is what the kitchen is like. This is one of my favorite spaces, I think. I've been saying I want to change my fridge for the longest. I think I'm going to get a bigger one, and then I'm going to move this one upstairs so I can have like cold drinks up there, because going up there and coming back down is just so much work. Oh, and obviously the favorite shoe rack. So I think that's pretty much briefly that. So we're going to be fixing a lot of stuff in here. Okay, so I've just taken you through the brief run through what moving has been like. It's been very hectic. And it was a like impromptu move for me because a major change happened in my personal life, and I just need to take my mind off things. So the first thing I could do was move, because I'll then put my mind into home decor and all of that. So I'm going to spend the next month doing my home decor, and I think I'm going to upload a full home tour when everything is set and all the renovations are done. I think I'm partnering with a certain brand to paint the walls, so I'll be sharing on that in my next vlog. So we're painting the walls, and we're going to theme each room to different colors and all. So I'm super excited about that, but I just wanted to share the moving vlog because this is a very stressful part. As you can see, I'm ready to start decorating for Christmas stuff. So I think actually I'm going to do a home tour plus housewarming. Maybe I should separate housewarming and Christmas party. I don't know if I want to have both parties. I'm not much of a party person, so I don't know if I'm going to do both housewarming and housewarming plus Christmas party. Maybe I'll combine the two into one. We'll find out in time, but thank you so much for stopping by. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, please do subscribe so you can watch the next videos and we can stay in touch. Follow me on social media. I'll be seeing you soon. Stay kind.